Good afternoon and welcome to my latest listing. Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Realty, and this is 3395 Stoneleigh Drive here in Oxford, Georgia. Oxford is a small town just 5 minutes north of the town of Covington, which is where you'll likely travel for all your daily needs. So I'll give you a brief overview of the local area after the tour of the home. This home, built in 2003, being around 1,900 square feet, is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch with a bonus room over the garage. It sits on just over an acre lake lot, having shoreline access to Lake Stoneleigh, which is perfect for a sunset kayak or fishing trip at the end of your day. In the past 4 years, my sellers have invested just a little over $20,000 in upgrades, which includes a full new kitchen appliance package, new kitchen sink and fixture, granite countertops not just in the kitchen but also in the bathrooms as well. A beautiful full glass tile backsplash was also added in the kitchen. Pre-finished solid hardwood floors were installed throughout the home, other than the kitchen and spare bath, which received new ceramic tile. There's a new water heater, the entire home has been painted, and a new back door installed. There's a small porch, a good-sized entertaining deck out back, and a large level fenced-in yard, as well as an exterior storage building to hold all your tools and toys. Stick around after your tour for an overview of what the local area has to offer as far as shopping, dining, and entertainment. But for now, come on in, take a look around. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the home. So now that you've seen the home and the property, let me briefly show you around this Oxford-Covington area, also known as the Hollywood of the South, as multiple movies and TV shows have been or are currently being filmed here. You'll find great locally owned restaurants. Right on the square is the famous Mystic Grill. This is where you'll find the best cocktails in town. Be sure to meet your friends or enjoy your dinner with the locals at the bar or enjoy its rooftop seating overlooking Town Square. No better place to enjoy town festivals and concerts throughout the year. Come custom build your own pizza just the way you like it at your pie. Come bring your own finger food and a bottle of wine and take art classes at the Wild Art Studio. Walk over to Scoops and pick out something sweet to eat after dinner and enjoy your choice in one of their comfortable rocking chairs overlooking Town Square. Another fantastic place for dinner would be City Pharmacy with its beautiful bar, great salads, meats, seafood, and even an oyster bar. There are miles of walking and mountain biking trails around town. Plan to visit the Town Square Olive Oil Tasting Gallery. Do you love to shop? Well, you'll have no shortage of locally owned small boutiques and consignment stores scattered all around town. Just off the square is Legion Field, where several events take place throughout the year, such as the carnivals, music events, and even Food Truck Fridays once COVID clears. There are plenty of golf courses nearby to choose from. Even enjoy picnicking, fishing, or kayaking on the Yellow River only 15 minutes away. There are often evening glow paddles a few times a year, which are always great fun. All the typical chain stores and restaurants are here too. Beautiful places to go hiking such as Panola Mountain are just a short drive away. If you'd like more information, if you've got questions, or you'd like to schedule your own private showing of this home, please give me a call at 404-803-4669. Do you have a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button for more information. My listings always receive professional photos. They're locally put on 2 MLSs and they're pushed to over 700 websites. I always create an HD video just like this one. Call me or email me at chris.may@cbrealty.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.